Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ganitha Sarathi. So in our previous video we have discussed about Pythagoras theorem, right? So in this video we will discuss some kind of model problems related to Pythagoras theorem, means where we will use Pythagoras theorem in similar triangles. Okay, see the problem which is on the board. See here, a ladder 15 meter long reaches a window which is 9 meter above the ground on one side of the street. Okay, and keeping its foot at the same point, the ladder is turned to other side of the street to reach a window of 12 meters height. Means what he is saying, there are two windows which is one window is 9 meters of height and another window is 12 meters of height. Okay, so what is he saying, a ladder of 15 meters, this is 9 meters window and this is 12 meters window, a ladder of take this as base. Okay, means width of the two windows. Next, a ladder of 15 meter long reaches a window which is 9 meter above the ground on one side of the street. So ladder is reaching, ladder is 15 meters. Okay, so this is reaching 9 meters window. Next, keeping its foot at the same point, means the foot will be in the same point. The ladder is turning to 12 meters window. The same ladder means the 15 meter ladder is turning to other side of the street to reach a window of how many meters? 12 meters height. So what we have to find? We have to find the width of the street. Means take this one as x and this one as y. Label it. Okay. Now we have to find x and y. Width of the street means x plus y. Okay. From this window to this window, how much AC is the width? We have to find x plus y. Means we have to find the value of x and also we have to find the value of y. For finding that, what we can do, and explaining the problem, I am not writing the steps. Okay, you need to write the steps when you are writing the examination. Okay, now see here, first we have to find the value of x. How we will find? If you know, window will be definitely in a perpendicular, means it is in a 90 degrees position, and ladder means definitely how the ladder will be slant, right? So means it will be, we can take it as a hypotenuse. Now we should find AB value. So in triangle ABE, right? In triangle ABE, where is 90 degrees? Angle A is equal to 90 degrees, right? If angle A is equal to 90 degrees, by which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? We all know what is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse square in triangle ABE? BE is the hypotenuse, right? BE square is equal to AB square plus AE square, right? BE square is equal to AB square plus AE square. What is BE value? 15, means hypotenuse, and AB value we have to find AB, plus AE value is 9, right? Now 15 square is how much? 225 is equal to x square, plus 9 square is how much? 81. So make this plus 81 to the left hand side, or it will become minus 81. 225 minus 81. 225 minus 81, how much? X square is equal to, you can take 441, right? 144. Then x is equal to square root of 144. What is the square root of 144? Plus or minus 12, right? We should take only plus 12. Why? Because this is a width. Width of the street will not be in minus, right? So x will be definitely how many meters? 12 meters. We got the value of x. X is 12 meters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of y. How we will find the value of y? By using same concept, but the triangle will be changed. What is the triangle? In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, what is the hypotenuse? BD, right? Hypotenuse is what? BD. BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. What is BD square? Same, 15 square is equal to BC is how much? We have to find BC. Plus CD square is 12 square. So 15 square is how much? 225 is equal to y square, plus 12 square means how much? 144. So make this plus 144 to the left hand side. Y square is equal to 225 minus 144. So y square is equal to how much? 225 minus 144 means 81, right? 225 minus 144, 81. Y is equal to square root of 81. Y is equal to plus or minus 9 means you take only what? Plus 9. So y is equal to how many meters? 9 meters. So what will be the width of the street? Width of the street is x plus y, right? Width of the street is what? AC. AC is x plus y. AC value is how much? AC means x. AC value is x plus y. What is x value? 144 plus y value, sorry, x value is what? 12 plus y value is 9. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is how much? 21 meters. So how much is the width of the street? Width of the street is 21 meters. So in this kind of problems you can use what? Pythagoras theorem. Let us move on to next problem. See the figure which is on the board. See, from this figure we have to prove this one. Means in the given figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, what is saying? AD line is perpendicular to BC, then we have to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square, right? So we are getting two right angle triangles here, right? What are the two right angle triangles? We are getting the triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Two right angle triangles are there. From the two right angle triangles we will prove this one. Okay, now see, first I am taking from triangle ABD. What is the right angle? Right angle is a D, means angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. If angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees, then what will be the hypotenuse in this triangle? If ADB is 90 degrees, what is the hypotenuse? AB will be the hypotenuse, definitely, right? AB will be the hypotenuse. Same by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. AB is the hypotenuse, means AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, right? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now make this plus BD square to the left hand side, means AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Okay, why I will say, so take it as equation number 1. Okay, now this triangle is completed. Go to this triangle. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, again by using Pythagoras theorem, where is angle 90 degrees? Angle ADC is equal to 90, right? Angle ADC is 90. Then what will be the hypotenuse? AC will be the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. Again make plus CD square to the left hand side. AC square minus CD square is equal to AD square. Okay, AC square minus CD square is equal to AD square. Take it as equation number 2. Now see here, equation 1 and equation 2 both are equal to AD square only, right? Right, both are equal to AD square only. So now we can equate 1 and 2, right? From equations 1 and 2 we can equate 1 and 2, because both are equal to AD square only. On right hand side we are getting AD square, so you can equate AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. So make this minus CD square to the left hand side. What will become? Plus AB square plus CD square. Make this minus BD square to the right hand side. It will become plus AC square plus BD square. That is our proof. See, AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Understood? So likewise you can prove the problem by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now let us move on to next problem. See the problem which is on the board. BL and CM are the medians of triangle ABC, where right angle is at A. So right angle is at which place? Right angle is at A. Okay, now draw the diagram. See, we are getting right angle at A and B and C. Okay, now what is saying? Right angle is at A. Okay, next BL and CM are the medians of triangle. So BL means what? From point B to L. Okay, from point B to L. Next, CM from point C to M. Okay, midpoints, medians means what? Exactly at the midpoints. Okay, so this is the diagram. We have to prove what? 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 into BC square. Okay, now, okay, we will prove this by using same Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, see here, first take the total triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, right? Angle A is 90 degrees. Now, what will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be BC, right? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, right? AB square plus AC square. Take it as equation number 1. We will use this equation at the last. Now, see here. Now I am taking this triangle. What is the triangle? In triangle BLA. Okay? In triangle BLA, where A is the right angle, then what will be the hypotenuse in triangle BLA? BL will be the hypotenuse. Always opposite to 90 degrees will be your hypotenuse. Okay? Don't get confused. BL will be the hypotenuse. So now BL square is equal to BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square, right? AL square plus AB square. Okay? BL square is equal to AL square plus AL square plus AB square. Now, how we can write AL? How we can write AL? Can you write AL as AC by 2? In AC, AL is exactly half, right? Because L is the median. So, in AC, AL is exactly half. So, we can write AL as AC by 2 whole square plus AB square. Understood? So, here I am writing the conditions here. AL, AC, AL can be written as what? AC by 2. In AC, AL is what? Half. Okay? AL is equal to AC by 2. Now, see here. BL square is equal to AC square by 2 square means 4 plus AB square. Okay? Now, BL square is equal to, what is the LCM here? 4. Here, AC square plus 4 into AB square, 4AB square. Okay, LCM is 4. 4 into AB square, 4AB square. Here, 4 into BL square. If 4 will comes to left hand side, it will become multiplication. So, what will be there? 4 into BL square. 4BL square is equal to AC square plus 4AB square. Okay, 4BL square is equal to AC square plus 4AB square. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, in the same way, I am taking triangle CMA. Okay. In triangle CMA. In triangle CMA, what is the hypotenuse? Angle A is 90 degrees. That is confirmed. Next, what will be the hypotenuse? CM will be the hypotenuse, right? CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. AC square plus AM square. Okay, CM square is equal to AC square plus, how we can write AM? AM can be written as AB by 2, right? AM can be written as AB by 2. AM is half in AB. So, AM can be written as AB by 2. So, here you can write AB by 2 whole square. Okay. Now, CM square is equal to AC square plus AB square by 4. 2 square means 4. Same. CM square is equal to, what is the LCM? 4. 4 into AC square. 4AC square plus AB square. If 4 will comes to left hand side, it will become what? Multiplication. So, what it will become? 4CM square is equal to 4AC square plus AB square. Okay, 4AC square plus AB square. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now we got equations 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So what we are doing, by adding equations 2 and 3. So add equations 2 and 3. what will become 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to 4AC square plus 4AB square plus 4AC square plus AB square. Okay, so now we can take 4 as common in these two, right? You can take 4 as common. If you take 4 as common, 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to AC square plus 4AC square will be 5AC square plus 4AB square plus AB square will be 5AB square. Okay, now see here. So in this 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to, in these two you can take 5 as the common factor. If you take 5 as the common factor, what is the remaining? AC square plus AB square. So 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 into AC plus AB. AC square plus AB square is what? BC square. Substitute here. So this is our proof. Okay, 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square, which is one of the most important problem in your similar triangles chapter. We will use Pythagoras theorem. How many times we are using? 3 times we are using, and we are getting the proof of this theorem. Okay, now let us move on to next problem. Now see the problem which is on the board. ABC is a right angle triangle which is right angled at C. So let's draw the diagram. ABC is a right angle triangle, and right angle is at which part? C. Okay, right angle is at C, so we can write A and B. Now what is he saying? Let BC is equal to small a and CA is equal to small b and AB is equal to small c. So let P be the length of perpendicular from C on AB. Okay, from C to AB, this is the length of perpendicular. Take it as D. Okay, it will be C, small c. Okay, this small c, and this is P. Now see here, we have to find, first one is PC is equal to AB. How we will find PC is equal to AB? Now listen. Okay, first I am taking the triangle. In triangle ABC, area of triangle. What is area of triangle formula? Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, now half into, what is base? I am taking BC as the base first. If BC is the base, then what will be the height? CA will be the height, right? If BC is base, CA is height. Now half into BC value is A, CA value is B. That will be equal to half into A into B will be AB. Okay, so area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB. This is, take it as equation number 1. Okay, now again I am taking area of triangle ABC only. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, now see, if I am taking AB as the base, if AB is the base, okay, half into, if AB is the base, then what will be height? Height will be CD. Okay, if here BC is base, then CA is the height. If AB is base, CD will be the height. AB into CD. So half into AB value is what? AB value is C into CD. What is the perpendicular? P. That is equal to half into C into P, CP. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into CP. Both are related to only one triangle. Okay, both are same triangles. Because why? Because in area of triangle ABC we can take two bases. If BC is base, CA will be the height. If AB is base, CD will be the height. So that's why we got two results. But we will get, we can equate equation 1 and equation 2, right? Why? Because this is area of triangle ABC and this is also area of triangle ABC from the same figure. Okay, so now from equations 1 and 2, equate 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, equate 1 and 2. What is first equation? Half into AB is equal to half into CP. So we can cancel half and half. So AB is equal to CP. PC or CP, both are equal. Okay, this is our first proof. AB is equal to CP. Okay, now we have to prove the second one. This is okay. AB is equal to CP. Now move on to second one. How we will prove second one? See. See here. Now for proving second one, let us take by using Pythagoras theorem. By which theorem? By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, what is the right angle in this triangle? Angle C, right? Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB. Okay. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is, AB value is what? AB value is what? C. Okay, AB value is C. C square is equal to AC value is what? AC value is B. B square plus BC value is what? Small c. C square. Okay. AB value is C. BC value is what? A square. Okay. Yes. Now see here. We got the first proof. What is the first proof we got? PC is equal to AB. So from proof 1, CP is equal to what? AB we got. Okay. We want the value of C. How we can find? Make this P this side. What it will become? C is equal to AB by P. Okay. Substitute this one in this place. Okay. Now what is the value of C? C value is AB by P whole square is equal to B square plus A square. Okay, from proof 1 we are taking this. Now how we can simplify that? AB whole square means we can write it as A square B square by P whole square means P square is equal to B square plus A square. Okay, now do cross multiplication. Make this A square B square this side. So what will become? 1 by P square is equal to B square plus A square by A square B square. Okay, now 1 by P square is equal to, separate this one, B square by A square B square plus A square by A square B square. Okay, now we can cancel B square here, A square and A square. So what is the last remaining one? 1 by P square is equal to, what is remaining? 1 by A square, here 1 by B square. That is our second proof. Right, 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Understood? So for finding second one, we are using the first proof for a condition and we are proving the second one. Okay. Now let us move on to next problem. Now see the problem. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of altitude. Okay. Now draw the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means we all know that all sides are equal. Okay. So take all sides will be equal, A and this one is also A. Okay. Now what is he saying? What we have to prove, required to prove is what? 3 altitude. No, so draw an altitude here. Take this as altitude, A, B, C, and this is the altitude. Total is 8. Okay. So what we have to prove? Altitude, take it as h. Altitude means nothing but height, right? So now 3 times the square of any side of a triangle. What is the square side of an equilateral triangle we are taking here? A. So 3a square is equal to 4 times the square of altitude. 4 times the square of altitude is what here? CD. What is altitude? H. H square. This one we have to prove. Okay. Now if the total is A, this is the altitude, we can take it as A by 2 and this one also we can take it as A by 2. Okay. Now see here, listen. So first of all what you have to do is, you have to prove the congruency for these 2 triangles, because we can take any one of the triangle from this, but first you have to prove whether they are congruent or not. After that we have to go to the process. Okay. Now see here, in triangle ADC and triangle BDC, in triangle ADC and triangle BDC, we can write angle ADC is equal to angle BDC, that is 90 degrees, and also we can write AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC, equivalent triangle, that is already given. And also we can write, what we can write, CD is equal to CD common side, right? CD and CD are common side, or you can write angles, you can take angle A is equal to angle B, okay? Angle A is equal to angle B, that one you can write. So what we are taking, angle side angle. So by angle side angle congruence, you can write anywhere, okay? You can take all the angles or all the sides. By angle side angle congruence, what you can say, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. Why we are proving this congruence? Because you should take any one of the triangle from this for proving the 3a square is equal to 4a square. So you can take any triangle. Why we should take? Because they are equal. We have to prove that equal, means we have to prove that they are congruent. Okay, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. This is over. Now you can take any triangle. I am taking from triangle ADC. Okay, from triangle ADC, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is angle D is equal to 90 degrees, right? So by using Pythagoras theorem, what is the hypotenuse in triangle ADC? AC is the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So why we are writing A by 2 and A by 2 here? We are taking what? Altitude, right? We are taking altitude. I am taking altitude, CD as the altitude. Okay. So why we are writing A by 2 and A by 2? Definitely it is dividing into two equal halves. Why? Because it is an equilateral triangle. Wherever you draw the altitude, definitely it is divided into two equal halves. Okay, A by 2 and A by 2. Now AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square is what? A square. AD square is what? A by 2 whole square. CD square is what? H square. Okay. Now A square is equal to A square by 2 square means how much? 4 plus H square. Make this plus A square by 4 this side. A square minus A square by 4 is equal to H square. So what is the LCM? 4. 4 into A square, 4A square minus A square is equal to H square. 4A square minus A square will give you 3A square by 4 is equal to H square. Make this 4 to the right hand side. What will become? 3A square is equal to 4H square. Okay, that is our proof. So whenever you are proving this one, what we have to do? First you have to make congruent these two triangles. What are that angle? Triangle ADC and BDC. After congruency, definitely the two triangles are congruent. We can use any one of the triangle for solving this one. Okay. So these are the kind of problems by using Pythagoras theorem. In my next video, I will be going to give you some other kind of model problems related to Pythagoras theorem, which is very most important. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ganitha Sarathi.